is the North-South Commuter Railway of the DOTR and PNR, which despite being started in 1994 as the Manila-Clark North Rail Project, only started construction in January 2019. The NSCR consists of a 147-kilometer railway system with 35 stations and 464 train cars, spanning 27 cities and municipalities, 3 provinces, and 3 regions. From Clark International Airport in Luzon through the National Capital Region and all the way to Laguna in Calabarzon. Aside from being the Philippines' single largest railway project, the NSCR also holds the distinction of being the single largest infrastructure project of the Asian Development Bank and the longest commuter railway project of the Japan International Cooperation Agency. Once fully operational, the NSCR will cut down travel time between Clark and Calamba from more than 4 hours down to less than 2 hours. Travel time from the Clark International Airport to Makati City via the country's first airport express service will be under an hour. This massive railway system is expected to accommodate more than 800,000 passengers per day in its first year of full operations.
Yan, marites lang muna tayo dito. Grabe, ilang crawler crane yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 na crawler crane yung nabilang pumula doon. Yan, marites lang muna tayo. Dito, ayan o. Laki ng mga poste. At isa pa lang yung viaduct dito, no? At ayan o, makikita na natin dito yung stasyon. Yung mga steel frame. Ayan o, steel structure. So, sabay-sabay yung steel structure at saka yung mga poste. Tingnan mo, 58, 57, 64. Oh my goodness, grabe. Bilis tumaas ha. Ayan. So, dito. Ito na po yung ano, ayan o. So, kitang-kita yung laki ng ano, bakal. Ha, grabe. So ito na yun sa may ano, no? Ito yung gagawing Kalumpit Station. Yan, ganun kahaba. Hanggang doon. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung ano nila dito. Grabe, laki ng pagbabago, no? Mula nung last time nagpunta dito, laki ng pagbabago.
The NSCR will generate 25,000 direct jobs during construction and close to 10,000 jobs during its eventual operations. Construction is in full swing for the NSCR Manila to Clark segment's 88 kilometers of viaducts, 17 stations, and 2 depots, with all 7 civil works contractors from Japan, South Korea, Spain, and Thailand, partnering with Philippine contractors, already in different stages of construction. Despite the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on the global railway construction industry, the DOTR and PNR, under the Duterte administration's Build program, have been steadfast in making this almost 2-decade dream of a more comfortable life for every Filipino a reality.
Ito yung lumang original na PNR train station dito sa may bahagi ng Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Kita natin na maliit na lang yung natitira dahil hindi ito nagiging isang tourist destination kagaya ng San Fernando Station. At ito naman yung bakanting bahagi dito sa may bahagi ng Santo Tomas kung saan ay ilang poste ang kulang pa bago ito makatawid sa may mahabang bahagi ng palaisdaan. At magmula dito sa may palaisdaan ay dire-diretso na ang bayadak papunta ng Apalit Station. Ito yung pinakahuli nating nakukunan dito sa may bahagi ng Santo Tomas, Pampanga. At lumang Santo Tomas Station, mayroon na kumpleto na nila ng lagay ng mga parapet wall. Kulang na lang dito ay idire-diretso na nila ng gawa ng mga bayadak. At ito, sa direksyon naman ito, papunta ng San Fernando Station. At mapansin nga natin dyan, wala pang mga poste, wala pang mga bakod. So ibig sabihin wala pang indikasyon na magkakaroon na ng construction sa may papunta na sa direksyon ng San Fernando Station. Ang bahaging ito ay sakop ito ng CPN Auto. Phase 2 CPN Auto. Ayan, makita nga natin dito na napakaganda ang pagkagawa ng bayadak. At lalo na itong gumaganda nang mailagyan na nila ito ng parapet wall. Sayang nga lang ay hindi pa tuluyang mapadiretso-diretso ng gawa ang release na ito para magpakinabangan na ito ng ating mga kababayan. So yan, ito yung lumang Santo Tomas Station, PNR, no? So nakaano ito kasi ipe-preserve nga itong mga original na structure ng original na PNR. Kaya mapapansin natin sa mga bawat istasyon na may mga lumang mga structure ay naka-protection ito, ready para sa preservation ng mga struktura.
Is the North-South Commuter Railway of the DOTR and PNR, which despite being started in 1994 as the Manila-Clark North Rail Project, only started construction in January 2019. The NSCR consists of a 147-kilometer railway system with 35 stations and 464 train cars, spanning 27 cities and municipalities, 3 provinces, and 3 regions. From Clark International Airport in Luzon through the National Capital Region and all the way to Laguna in Calabarzon.